Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Dr. Remy Kayode, and I am the founder of the Young Women in Information Technology. We are actually registered as Young Persons in Information Technology. So Ywit, Young Women in Information Technology, is a part of that organization. We started in 2022, and all thanks to God and to the board of directors and of course the trainers, we are here. Today we are celebrating the graduation ceremony of cohorts 5, 6, 7 and 8. We do the graduation once a year. So this is the third one we are having.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ikorodu Lagos. I'm an instructor for Ywit, that is Young Women in IT. Young Women in IT is a program for girls whereby we introduce them to IT, information technology. These girls, they do not have the foreknowledge or about IT. We introduce them to Microsoft packages, that's Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. We also tell them about, we teach them rather about game development using Scratch and a little bit about HTML and Python. We also train them on soft skills whereby they learn about entrepreneurship, they learn about social media. That is all the skills they've acquired in Ywit, like graphic design, game development, how to sell themselves, how to sell the skills they have acquired so far. Ywit is a program that encourages young girls and introducing them to IT. Thank you.
My name is Obafemi Peter Lawal. I'm the project manager and supervisor of Young Women in IT. And Young Women in IT, it's a non-governmental organization that is dedicated to educating and training the young women in IT-related field from programming to coding, game, animation, and Microsoft Suite. And research have shown that we have less women in IT-related field compared to men. And the importance of ICT cannot be overemphasized. Dr. Remy Kayode, the founder, came up with this initiative of young women in IT that have empowered young girls between the age of 13 to 21 years over 3 years ago. So I'm so optimistic that as we have various examination bodies like WAEC and NECO trying to introduce CBT into this external examination. So I believe that the training that these young girls have gotten, that is going to help them to face the challenge that they already gain the confidence on how to maneuver, how to type, how to browse, how to maneuver the system. So it's going to be easier for them. And I believe that the possibility is already there. The imagination, the creativity is already there. They have acquired the 21st century skills such as communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity, and leadership, time management. And I believe that these skills that they have gained in this center, Young Women in IT, is going to go a long way. So making them the future champions. So I believe that the sky is a starting point for these young girls.
My name is Omodelola Nimilo. I am from Port 8 and I'm the best overall student. So to be honest, I wasn't actually expecting to be the best overall. I thank God that I have the privilege of collecting this award. The 3 months journey, starting from the beginning, I said I was reluctant to give because I really didn't see any point in it. I thought I wouldn't learn anything. But when I started learning about some skills, about MS Word, the PowerPoint, Scratch, the hardest of all. Yeah. It was not really very hard, but I'm grateful that I made it through. It has been a wonderful 3 months, and I'm actually happy that I took the opportunity to come here and learn the things that I wouldn't have known when I was in school. And to those out there that haven't found the opportunity to come here and open their eyes to see the new world of AI, I really suggest you should come here. It will open your eyes to many things. You're able to pass boundaries that you never thought of reaching at all. And I really hope that you'll be given the opportunity to come here and learn a lot of things that you should know about, because it really help you in the future of AI, because that's what's important now, AI. So I really hope you come here.
My name is Sammy Utekata Korede. I get to know Ywit through my friends. Ywit really improves me. It really impacts me. The full meaning of Ywit, young woman in tech. They teach me a lot of things in Ywit. Though it is every Saturday and it takes ordinary 3 months. It really impacts me, because before I don't know anything about computer. It's when I joined them, I'm feeling among. I know what to do next. I know how to operate my laptop. And they teach me a lot of things. How to operate my laptop, design things, Microsoft Word, Excel, Scratch, that's programming language, and how to develop yourself through computer.
Hi, my name is Fashida Emikosi Deborah. I actually got to find out this program from one of the instructors in this training program, Mr. Tolulokpe. Thank you for not being selfish actually, because this program has actually made me see myself beyond a learner. I've actually seen myself like a creator and a problem solver in this field of technology. And this program actually gave me things that it made me see more passion in myself, things that I don't know that even me myself can do, or this thing common my human brain. I've actually seen myself beyond this ordinary world. I've actually seen myself exploring more in this technology program, and I really want to do more and learn more about this technology. Like, I don't want it to end just in Ywit. I want to explore more in this field of technology and everything. And to Dr. Mrs. Remi Kayode, thank you very much for this opportunity and for the privilege you gave to we young women to showcase our talent, our passion in this academic field of technology. Thank you very much. And to other sponsors too, thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Thank you for your love, your passion, and your support for us. Thank you very much. God bless you.
What's the vision behind this? The vision is really to get young girls, actually women, into the digital space, because I realized over the years, particularly during COVID, that the percentage of women making a difference in the world of IT is very low, and I have this vision of wanting to promote women into that sphere. And in order to get the women, I thought the best way would be to start with the young girls. And that's why our program is for young girls between the ages of 14 and 18. They learn various things from the use of mouse. It will amaze you how many of the girls come onto this training without having seen a computer before or how it functions. But they leave here after 12 weeks knowing the use of the mouse, knowing how to diagnose the computer to a certain extent, PowerPoint, Excel. They can do Scratch. They can do some coding as well, and various things that has given them or aroused the interest for them to explore more in the digital space. Because we all know that's the way this world is going. And I know and believe that each of these children, each of these young girls that will grow up to be young women will be able to contribute extensively to the growth of digital and information technology. So that's the vision. We have started, like I said, 3 years ago, 2022, March 2022. And this is the third graduation that we are having, and we've got 8 cohorts behind us. Each cohort starts with about 30 children, and they do exams. They sit the Cisco exam and an online exam as well. And that is what results into the graduation, or the number of people that graduate at the end of the program. Thank you.
My name is Alawaki Elizabeth from Code 6. I am 14 years old. I learned how to use the Microsoft Word, how to open a computer, how to use the mouse correctly, the functions of all controls, things things to do, the usefulness of computer in entrepreneurship, and different kind of things you can use a computer to do and technology to do. I learned how to use the PowerPoint, how to create games, how to create animations. That's it. And the greatest gift of all was teamwork.
Wow. What you have learned in this, I heard you were here for 3 months. Am I correct? 3 months. Every Saturday, am I correct? That is 3 times 4. How many? 12. And maybe you do maybe a minimum of 3 hours. How many hours a day? How many hours each Saturday? 4 hours. 4 to 5 hours. Okay, let's take the lower limit. 4 times 12. A lot has been imparted into you. Please don't waste it. I like to hear that one of our students in so cohorts, she built what you have been given is foundation. And as I was talking to the visionary, she told me that there will also be linkages linking you people up. It's a rare opportunity. This is what you're supposed to actually benefit from our educational system. But it's lacking, and she stepped in to provide a solution. So please, the good you will do for her is to impact your world, impact your community with what you have learned.
Good day everyone, my name is Ikorodu Lagos. I'm 16 years old and a past member of the Young Women in IT cohort 4.0. And today I would just like to say a summary of everything, positive impacts Ywit has had on me. Ywit really helped me a lot in every aspect because I read WAEC this year, and I would say I was actually not doing data processing before, and most of the questions that came out, I could answer them with the little knowledge I had. Not little knowledge, with the knowledge I had from Ywit. So that's one aspect. I also work as a video editor currently, and I was able to navigate all the pros and cons of video editing with the knowledge I have from YT. So Ywit has a lot of great impact on me, and I want to say a very big thank you to Dr. Remi Kayode for bringing up this program, a very free program, like no money for registration, you're paying nothing, just the innovative to teach young girls in IT, because the world is fast approaching towards technology, and she thought of it that she wants girls to be in the IT world and all of that. So she thought of it to bring out that innovative, okay, let me train girls in IT. That's a very, very, very good one. And I'm so glad for all the impact Ywit had on me. And I would say my advice to young girls like me is that don't feel like you can't do it, or this is it for a guy or something. Technology, we are smart girls. Like girls, we rule the world. Girls rule the world. Yeah, I love to say that girls rule the world. So my advice to young girls like me, like if you really want to be like in technology, be into coding and all of that. There are different aspects of it: coding, programming, cybersecurity, a lot of them. Name it. All you just have to do is dedicate your time to it, put your mind, and tell yourself that yes, I know I can achieve this. I know I can be successful in this, and I promise you, you will surely get there.